Welcome to the Aptis speaking test. You will answer some questions about yourself and then do 3 short speaking tasks. Listen to the instructions and speak clearly into your microphone when you hear the signal. Each part of the test will appear automatically. The test will take about 12 minutes. Part 1. In this part, I'm going to ask you 3 short questions about yourself and your interests. You will have 30 seconds to reply to each question. Begin when you hear the sound. How often do you use your cell phone? Have you ever been abroad? How do you celebrate special events? You have now completed this part. Your answer has been saved. Part 2. In this part, I'm going to ask you to describe a picture. Then I will ask you 2 questions about it. You will have 45 seconds for each response. Begin speaking when you hear this sound. Describe this picture. How has technology improved communications? How different would your life be without your cell phone? You have now completed this part. Your answer has been saved. Part 3. In this part, I'm going to ask you to compare two pictures, and I will then ask you 2 questions about them. You will have 45 seconds for each response. Begin speaking when you hear this sound. Describe these pictures. Which of the 2 activities would appeal more to teenagers? Do you think sport should be compulsory or optional at school? You have now completed this part. Your answer has been saved. Part 4. In this part, I'm going to show you a picture and ask you 3 questions. You will have 1 minute to think about your answers before you start speaking. You will have 2 minutes to answer all 3 questions. Begin speaking when you hear this sound. Look at the photograph. But for today, when was the last time you took an exam? How did you feel before and after it? Are exams the best way to test one's knowledge? You have 1 minute to think about your answers. You can take notes if you wish. You now have 2 minutes to talk. Thank you. This is the end of the test.